fell from the sky, stuck in a date palm, made a mountain out of a molehill. One hand cannot clap. As you sow, so shall you reap. The hen at home is equivalent to lentils. A washerman's dog belongs neither to the house nor the river bank. No one will eat the shoe. What does a monkey know of the taste of ginger? As the country, so the attire. Changing attire does not bring rain. Each has their own style. Sometimes joy, sometimes sorrow. The crow imitated the gait of a swan and forgot its own. After eating 900 rats, the cat went on a pilgrimage, changing clothes here and there. A speck in a thief's beard. Why use a mirror to see a bracelet on your own hand? Stand up, read, fight, grow. The way to the heart goes through the stomach.